Did you know you can send real SMS messages directly from your AI chat assistant? In this video, I'll show you how to connect LobeChat to your Android phone and send text messages to any phone number using simple voice commands. Let's get started. How does this solution work? LobeChat connects to the Ozeki Android SMS MCP server through the MCP protocol, where your Android phone acts as the server that forwards SMS messages to the mobile network provider for delivery to the recipient. What is LobeChat? LobeChat is an open-source, high-performance chat application that supports multiple AI providers and can be extended with MCP servers for capabilities like SMS messaging directly from the chat interface. What is an Android SMS MCP server? An Android SMS MCP server is a model context protocol server that runs on an Android smartphone and exposes SMS functionality as structured tools that any MCP-compatible AI client can call. To get started, download the Ozeki Android SMS Gateway app on your Android phone by scanning the QR code shown on screen or by visiting the URL provided. Once installed, your Android phone will act as the MCP server that connects to LobeChat over your local Wi-Fi network using the MCP protocol. Before you can use the MCP SMS server, you need to install the Ozeki SMS client on your Android device. The app will serve as the local SMS gateway that LobeChat connects to over your Wi-Fi network, so make sure both devices are on the same local network. Open the Ozeki SMS client app on your Android device and tap the MCP tab in the bottom navigation bar. Tap the toggle switch to start the MCP server and grant the permission requests, then copy the API endpoint URL that appears for the next step. In LobeChat settings, navigate to the Agent Skills section and click Add Custom MCP Skill to open the registration form. Test the connection to verify the SMS tools are available, then click Install to add the skill to your LobeChat instance. To test SMS sending, start a new chat in LobeChat and enable the Ozeki Android SMS MCP skill from the Tools menu. Type a plain language instruction asking the AI to send an SMS to a specific phone number, and LobeChat will process the request and display the result. Open the Ozeki SMS Client app and navigate to the Settings tab. Then tap Log to view the request and response history. Select the MCP tab to see the incoming tool call requests from LobeChat and confirm that the SMS was dispatched successfully. You have successfully configured the Ozeki Android SMS Gateway MCP server with LobeChat, enabling you to send SMS messages using plain language prompts. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials on AI and messaging solutions.